Macaws are colorful birds that belong to the parrot family. They are known for their vibrant plumage, long tails, and powerful beaks. Macaws are brilliant and social birds and are often kept as pets. They can also be found in the wild in Central and South America, where they live in flocks and feed on fruits, nuts, and seeds. Macaws can live for up to 50 years in captivity, making them a long-term commitment for potential owners. Macaws are known for their vibrant colors and impressive size, making them a popular choice for pet owners. However, it's important to remember that these birds require a lot of space and attention to thrive in captivity. Suppose you're considering keeping macaws as pets. In that case, providing them with a large cage or aviary, plenty of toys and enrichment activities, and a varied diet that includes fresh fruits and vegetables is essential. Additionally, it's a good idea to research macaws' behavior and communication to understand better their needs and how to communicate with them effectively. With proper care and attention, macaws can make wonderful and rewarding pets. Difference between the sexes of macaws birds. It is tough to tell males and females apart. A practiced eye can sometimes tell from the beaks since males' beaks are more extended and slightly narrower. The male of some pairs can also be much more significant. However, 100% certainty is only possible based on an endoscopic examination by a specialist vet. Distribution. Macaws are large, colorful parrots native to the rainforests of South and Central America. They are known for their vibrant feathers and impressive wingspan. Macaws are found in various habitats, including forests, savannas, and grasslands. Some species of macaws, such as the blue and yellow macaw, are found in a wide range of countries, while others, such as the scarlet macaw, are more restricted. Despite pet popularity, macaws are highly endangered in the wild due to habitat loss and the illegal pet trade. Macaws are beautiful birds that are native to Central and South America. Unfortunately, many species of macaws are becoming increasingly rare in captivity due to the challenges of breeding and caring for them. As a result, macaws are often quite expensive to purchase and are only readily available in some areas. Regarding temperament, macaws can be very social and affectionate with their owners, but they also require much attention and care to stay healthy and happy. Social characteristics. To keep a macaw as a pet, you should purchase a partly hand-reared bird. Macaws become very attached to people living in the same house and learn to imitate the human voice. However, a condition for this is that they are kept in the home environment from an early age and are adequately nurtured and cared for. The birds develop behavioral disorders if they do not receive enough attention. If you choose a macaw as a pet, then it is a lifelong choice. If you want to breed the birds, keeping a small group or an established breeding pair is better so that the parents-to-be can select each other. Because of their size, they do not keep macaws together with smaller birds but only with birds of the same species or related macaws. Macaws are birds known for their colorful feathers, long tails, and strong beaks. They are social birds that can live up to 50 years and are known for their intelligence and ability to mimic human speech. Macaws are also powerful flyers and can reach up to 35 miles per hour. They are found in the rainforests of Central and South America and are an essential part of the ecosystem. Macaws belong to the family of New World parrots, which includes over 370 species of birds. They are known for their bright and vibrant plumage, with colors ranging from blue and green to red and yellow. Macaws are also known for their intelligence, social behavior, and ability to mimic human speech. There are 17 species of macaws, with some of the most popular species being the blue and gold macaw, scarlet macaw, and green-winged macaw. Breeding macaws are challenging birds to breed. A lot depends on whether the breeding pair get on well together and on the food and the right environmental factors. It may take 4 years or longer before the young birds are sexually mature. The birds need to be housed in a large, roofed outdoor cage to breed. They are produced in a large nest box, a hollowed-out tree stump, or a small beer cask. The females lay 2 to 4 eggs on average, which she then incubates for between approximately 24 and 28 days. Fledging occurs after 3 or 4 months. The young cannot yet care for themselves properly and are nurtured for a while by both parents. Nest boxes can be important for macaw birds, providing a safe and suitable space to breed and raise their young. The size of macaw nest boxes can vary depending on the macaw species. Generally, the box should be large enough for the bird to turn around comfortably and stretch its wings. For larger macaws, the box should be about 30 inches in height, 14 to 16 inches in width, and 14 to 16 inches in depth. However, it's essential to research the macaw species for whom you want to provide a nest box, as their size and nesting preferences can vary. Macaws are majestic birds that require a balanced and nutritious diet to maintain their health and well-being. A healthy diet for macaws should include a variety of fruits, vegetables, grains, nuts, and seeds, focusing on fresh, whole foods. Some recommended fruits for macaws are apples, bananas, berries, grapes, and oranges. Vegetables like carrots, sweet potatoes, green beans, and leafy greens like kale and spinach are also great for them. Regarding grains, macaws can have cooked brown rice, quinoa, and whole wheat bread. Some good nuts and seeds for them are almonds, walnuts, pecans, pumpkin seeds, and sunflower seeds. It's important to avoid feeding macaws any processed or sugary foods, avocado, chocolate, and caffeine, as these can be toxic to birds. It's also essential to provide them with plenty of fresh water and regularly clean their food and dishes to prevent bacterial growth. Suitable housing at macaws needs an awful lot of room. Their tails and wings will become quickly damaged in a small cage or aviary. The cage must be wide enough for the birds to stretch their wings easily and high enough for the tail not to touch the floor. Because of these birds' size, an indoor cage is never huge enough. They have to be able to stretch their legs and, if possible, their wings outside the cage. Given that macaws are fairly stay-at-home birds and not excellent flyers, many people keep them, once they have become used to the idea, in the home on a stand or climbing a tree. Most macaws do not feel an urge to leave their place. In the case of a roofed, outdoor aviary, spot-welded and galvanized wire mesh with mesh openings of approximately 5 centimeters should be used. Watch out for any wood present. The birds can generally gnaw through it without too many problems. Macaws are born climbers. They will make enthusiastic use of tree stumps with essential side branches. There is little point in filling the aviary with other plants since the birds will have ripped them to pieces quickly. Your valuable suggestions about exotic birds and animals, and feedbacks in comment sections, it will be considered. You are always welcome. Contact us for advertisements, announcements, personal ads, or commercial ads. Contact us, +91 94480 92092. This video has been created for educational purposes and is available in 5 languages: English, Hindi, Kannada, Urdu and Tamil. The link for all languages can be found in the description. We will be uploading new videos featuring exotic birds and animals on daily.